Hello and welcome to this channel Naveen Shukla Motivational.com along with assistant cameraman Manas Shukla and my near and dear Pushpa Shukla. So today I will just discuss about the problems the society is facing, that is depression, frustration, negativity, negative thoughts. So many examples I have to discuss and share along with you all. So first some in category I tell you about habit. Before habit, some examples as a habit, thought, positive, negative, nature, behavior. So first of all, that is thought. The most important thing is thought, means thinking. Whatever we are thinking, that is thought. Clear? So we have some thoughts. On behalf of the thought we are discussing. We are thinking in mind, in conscious, subconscious mind, and because of that thought we start doing in process, in continuity, like brushing our teeth. So because of doing or repeating the work according to the thought, according to action, so this is first of all action. So after action, thought, then action, and because of repeating that action, that becomes habit. Clear? And habit and nature, that is last one. Means whenever we repeat something, that includes in our habit, and because of that repetition of that habit, that becomes nature. Okay, two important terms are there, that is natural, unnatural. So first I want to focus about the definition of natural and unnatural. What is natural? Natural means a thing which need not any practice, which need not any training. That is natural. For example, falling from the bed, telling a lie, not following the rules made by the parents or in society or in school where we study. So these things are natural. I don't want to study. This is natural. I need not any training for this. But if I have to do the homework, if I have to study 3, 4, 5, 6 hours whole night, so that is unnatural, because in this I have to concentrate myself, I have to make myself understand that I have to study. By the way, I don't want to study. So this is unnatural. I need training. Children don't want to go to school. Sometimes they are just jumping from their auto rickshaw, jumping from the bus, because they feel that a school is like a jail and teachers, they are nothing but jailers. So that is unnatural. Clear? But because of practicing, because of going daily, they are finding that they are not alone being suppressed. They are not alone facing problem. They are not alone just weeping whole day. So many children are there. So they feel better, and because of going daily, they start taking interest in the atmosphere, and gradually they are making friends. So because of going daily by bus, by auto, along with their parents, so this is including in their behavior, in their nature, and that becomes habit, that becomes nature, and that is their nature, and regularly they are going to school. This is because of, or this is part of training. Clear? So in starting, a child doesn't want to go to school. This is unnatural, but because of getting training, because of getting motivation by their parents, teachers, relatives, they start going and they start learning, they start making friends in school. So that becomes natural. In starting, that was unnatural. For example, small kids, by the way, that is a boy or a girl having 2 or 3 years old age, not brushing regularly in morning. Even I myself don't brush regularly before sleeping. That is evening time. That is the most important. I know well, being teacher, I know well. But this is my shortcoming. I don't have any hesitation to express among you all. That I also don't brush before sleeping. And I also know that is the most important than brushing in morning. But what to do? This is not in my nature, but maybe in coming time, coming future, it will be in habit. I will also brush 2 times in a day. So same thing. In starting, children, they are wearing their slippers in wrong way, left to right and right to left. It happens because there is not in habit. But whenever it becomes in habit by practicing regularly, it becomes natural, it becomes positive, and even after getting up, coming clear out of the bed, children are whether just like looking sleeping, they are just having same slipper of same leg without mistake, because that system updated in their subconscious mind, so there is no problem. So this is very common thing. So, and whenever while teaching, being teacher, Some children are asking too much questions, so many questions in classes. So I tell that children are coming to school for updating their software, because I try to make them understand the language of computer. Software means hardware wise we all are same. Children, they are having 2 lungs, 1 heart, 2 eyes, 2 ears, whatever, same I have. So software wise we all are same, there is no problem. But hardware we have in different way, that is our brain, mind. So they are coming to school to develop their software, to update their software, and for updating their software, uploading some data's information in their mind, we are charging fee, we are taking salary. Clear? So as soon as possible the children understand this concept, it will be easier, it will be very much positive and motivating for the children, and our teaching will be so much convincing, so much easy and interesting. So I want to conclude this speech today, and the rest I will discuss. I will come with a new topic in new video. Thank you so much.